Ito, oh. So you have to keep repeating yourself like you're really stupid. I'm tired of driving back and forth. I don't know why she cannot just stay here and have a dialysis here. I love you. I love you. Good morning, guys. Good morning, Rocks. I'm dancing right now, guys. So good. She's watching me. So good. 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 She doesn't like it. So good. So good. Mama dancing too. No, dancing. Look at that eyes, guys. Dancing. Dancing. It did not look. Look. Come here. Come here. Yes. There's more. Look. I put that right there. Yeah. Go eat. No. Go eat. No. Yeah, that's chicken. Oh, it's a turkey under food, guys. Hopefully she'll eat. Misty, I mean. I'm having my coffee. And I'm going to have cereal. Yeah, cereal it is. That's my breakfast. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. Think about you every now and then. Spread my wings and fly away. And so, let's put milk in here. No, it's Dimples. Are you Dimples or Hobbs? Oh my God, that look, I cannot even tell. Punta tayo sa labas. Look, tignan nyo. Magaganda. Where's Roxy? Oh my God. Okay, do you want to go outside? Come here. Push. Go do your business outside. Go, you stretchy little doggy monkey. Ano ito? Flashlight na hindi na kailangan ng battery. Tignan nyo, guys. Tignan nyo, oh. Ano ba, eh? Oh, walang light. There you go, guys. Tignan nyo, guys. Paano ba ito? Ito, oh. Anyway, these two cats also is watching me right now because they want some food. But I'm not giving them any food. Let's say I'm giving them if they eat their breakfast, the whole thing. Oh, they did. You guys eat your breakfast. It's really hard when you are, vlogging and then your memory card is always failing you. Memory card error. So you have to keep repeating yourself like you're really stupid. Yung lights, guys, importante, diba? Itong light na to. Sometimes I don't really use these lights, guys, because if you know, this light, my light is yellow. So yellow itong light na to. So it bothers me sometimes that it's yellow. So ganito na lang, parang malayo ba, para hindi masyadong mainit. So this one is kind of high, this one is short. Let me put this up. Ito na lang. Okay. Ito. At saka, yan. Sobrang init. Ayan. So, yun na lang ang gagawin ko, guys. Pero maghintay muna ako kasi mabasa pa. Basa pa yung buhok. I don't want it closer, guys. I don't want it too close to the camera. Because this camera is acting up already with the freaking SD card. How much more hubby love is texting me. He said, he's making Spanish rice. I'm going to text him with what I'm doing right now. Ganito ako mag-film, guys. Usually, I don't use the light. But I decided to use it this time. Because, yan now. So, kung yan, this is the battery for my camera. Hey guys, katatapos ko lang nag-film ng look na ito. Sa other channel ko ito, guys, ilagay. If you wanna know, I'm using all the Maybelline products. So, ito yon ang nagawa ko. And I curl my hair also. Yung mga aso ko na, ang mga aso ko na. Hello, bebe! Hello! Gosh! Oh, wow! She's always like yawning. Wow! I really like the blush that I apply on today. So, if you wanna know, go watch into my other channel. It will be there. So, yun lang. I just really like the blush that I applied today. I used today. So nice. So natural. And wala akong masabi. So natural lang. I'm tired of driving back and forth. I don't know why she cannot just stay here and have a dialysis here. It's ridiculous. Going back and forth. Oh, I forgot that I've been defrosting this. So, lulutuin ko siya, guys. Lutuin ko siya ng early kasi na-defrost na siya. So, I have to cook it early. Kasi defrost na siya. It's not good if it's been sitting out here for long. And I'm gonna start cooking this now. And see you later. Yan, guys. Naka-cover siya kasi yung oil kasi, guys, tumatalsik-talsik dito, guys. May dalawa pa. So, Sammy just called. Oh my god, he told me, "Hen, when you come here tomorrow, don't forget to bring this Spanish rice. And I'm making the chicken. Remember the chicken that we made together in the kitchen, which is his recipe. Not his recipe, but he cooked, and then I helped him. And then he said, I'm gonna cook that too. You have to bring it. Maybe you have a visitors." Like, no one told me that there's a visitors coming. Why you're like inviting people? You are not here. You only invite people when you're around. What the heck? If you invite people, make sure that you're here. You're around. Because it's not good when you're inviting people and the other people are just there and you're not there. It's kind of freaking weird, but si Roxy nakatulog nandun. Natulog. It's 7 o'clock already, guys. And I've been editing the video. And this daughter right here, it's been crazy. It's been crazy. This is Dimples. This is Dimpulot. No Dimpulot. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. She knows. Okay, let's go out this way. If you said let's go out this way, that means they go out in the garage. So let's go out this way. So, tingnan natin. Oh, Misty P. No, look, nagpipi si Misty, guys. Okay, I think, oh my god, that's really pretty up there. Tignan nyo, guys, yung the sun. Sobrang ganda naman. Psst, stop it. Tignan nyo yung sunsets. Diba? Ang ganda. Oh my god. That's very pretty. Okay, are you ready to go in? Oh my god, Misty, what are you doing, Miss? You crazy creature. Yes, you're a crazy creature. Where's Roxy? Okay, let's go in. Good girl. Okay, Mama can go up now. Okay, I guess I can go up now. Oh, you know what? I need to go upstairs early. I wake up early tomorrow to pick up my mother-in-law and decided to go early because I want to see my husband before he go to work. I'm just going to put all my makeup that I use. Yung ginamit ko guys sa pag-film kanina. So, ano ko lang siya. Ito yun. Saka marami pa dito. Tignan niyo. Dito ko. Kasi I don't have a table eh. So, I don't have a table eh. So, dito ko lang na lang siya. Ano, nilagay. I have to reply my husband because he sent me a text. Yeah. Sabi, so, nag-send siya ng picture sa ano. Sa pagkain na niluto niya. Sabi ko, nope, I'm not going to. Nope, thank you. With ha-ha-ha. And said, you don't have to eat if you don't like ha-ha-ha. So, now it's time for me to reply. Anyway, I'll be right back. I'm gonna clean my face and then ready to edit the video and sleep. Good night. Anyway guys, I'm gonna end this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I really do appreciate it so much. And yeah, so thank you. I will see you tomorrow, early in the morning. Pick up my mother-in-law. Yeah, good night guys. See you tomorrow. Bye. Good night guys. Bye-bye. Sharon kunita lagi. Sharon kunita lagi. Hindi mabusog. That's my dinner guys. Mukbang it is.